Hi guys, what the hell? We've gone ahead and you see them ultra white is named as ultra white, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was fucking the yellowest thing I've seen in my life. Yellower than my teeth. Opt for the normal ones but with the blue effect. These are 4200k. White is what, 5000. 6000 proper white. 5000. He's gonna take it off. Take the cap off, level. Okay, so it's in there somewhere. There it is. Okay. So that's the bulb. Got prong at the top holding it, I think. So I'm gonna try to take that off. 1 second, guys. Okay, he's gonna try to squeeze it and pull it.
That's that one.
I'm pretty sure you just fucking us. Try it. Oh, you can't squeeze it.
There you go.
So you pinch and pull it out.
So is this not passive?
This bastard, yeah. And it's a 1 pin. It's fucking shit. Look at this. The bulb is definitely right way, innit?
Yeah, bulb's definitely right way.
Which way does the flat side go? The top or bottom?
She's in. One of them's in.
The clamp?
Yeah, I don't know how. Oh, there you go.
Oh, the button?
Yeah, both in.
You just have to fucking wiggle it, innit? Wiggle it a bit.
As it should have to be.
Put the connector on. Let's see if how much white they are. If any, they might just be fully yellow. That's your high beam, innit? That's a silly high beam design, bro.
Is it? Yeah.
That's your high beam, yeah. Right, push it.
It's like a nice blue.
Yeah. They're very white. They're very white.
What the fuck?
There's barely a difference, bro. Slightly whiter, bro, anything. Very yellow, innit? What's the point of this? So now we've got the white ones. Where are they? The night eye.
Yeah. Same brand that I used for headlights.
But I believe they might be fog lights. But we're gonna try them anyway.
Yeah,
if it completes the white look, then we're not asked how I love it.
No, not really. So as long as I can blind someone.
So it's the same 1 pin output. And these are the bulbs. They are very tiny, the bulbs, so I don't think they will be good for high beam. We'll find out at night time. Do you have to bring you on? I'll check the other one out first. Yeah, take it out first. Yeah, I think it's gonna work like a fog light.
You think?
It might be bright to look at.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna throw nothing on the road. We'll try at night, innit? You at home, innit?
You are?
You at home for the rest of the week? No?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
I'm at Preston tomorrow.
Okay, so now it's unclipping the thing. You don't squeeze in, do you? You lift it, don't you?
Yeah, but I need to take the connector first.
Yeah, he's pulling out the connector first. I think I've showed you before in this. Yeah, he's pulled it out. Connector is off. Now he's taking those silver clips off. Simply, what do you do? Take them off?
Yeah.
The clips, how did you take them off?
Clips is like, so if you're, imagine the bulb's like here, yeah?
Yes,
here.
yes.
It's gonna be like this. It's kind of like push in, pull out, and then like that.
Yeah.
That really doesn't make sense. Push in, out.
Push in, then out, then in. Okay. Now we get the LED beautiful stands. Beautiful stands. I think the flat side was down, wasn't it?
I think the flat side was
this one. Yeah. That is nice. Okay.
Luckily it only goes in one way anyways.
Yeah, it only goes in one way anyway. So you can't get this part wrong. And then lock it into place and then connect it up. And if it doesn't work, we'll have to twist around the... Oh no, it's only 1 pin anyway. You'll have to work out the way it is, innit? Hopefully, if not, we'll have to turn it around somehow. Figure out what to do. Doggy.
Ah, that's it.
Is it? Yeah. Turn it on, put the high beam on. Moment of truth, guys. Came on for a second. Oh wait. No CAN bus. I might have been because it's hyper. Plugged in. Yeah. Push it. Yes, on. Oh, it's gone off. Yeah. Came on for a second and goes off. CAN bus, yeah. Are you trying? What, just to flash him? Yeah, hold it. Yeah, it stays on when you hold it. Yeah, yeah, it flashes. Yeah, yeah, that works. Hold it, just hold it for a few minutes. Yeah, it goes off if you hold it. Okay. So it can only work for temporary few seconds at a time. Right. They're not very bright though.
They're not?
No. You want me to flash you? Have a look. Okay, we've decided no good these lights, so we are gonna continue the hunt for LED high beams. If you know any, please tell us in the description.
Oh, I've got an idea.
What's your idea?
I'm in a few Astra H groups on Facebook.
Yeah, ask him.
Yeah,
Bloody bastards. What is this scum they scummed us with?